Coach Ingy, ano yung sikreto mo? Kasi sabi mo sa direct selling ka nagsimula eh. Ano yung sikreto mo para makabenta ka?
Uh, One thing that I've learned in my 48 years of selling is this. Products change, services change, but the sales process never change. So, paano ba yung sales process? Ito na yung sikreto. Oh, guys, sulat nyo na to. Ang secret, kung gusto mo makabenta pa more, from real estate, insurance, direct selling, kahit anong products, kahit sa online. First, prospecting. Second, setting of appointment. Third, presentation. Fourth, closing. And then, fifth, follow-up. So, prospect to check kung talagang if that person is qualified for your products and services. Diba? And then next, set ka ng meeting to present, diba? Para makita nila. And then third, diba? Presentation na para makita nila yung value. How can it help them? And fourth, syempre, i-close mo. And then next, follow-up. Whether it's real estate, insurance, diba? Kahit na food supplement yan, it's the same process. And yun nga, ang na-realize ko, na-master ko yung process for 48 years. Kaya lahat ng mga sales na pinasukan ko, ako yung parating nagtatap. Diba? To close this, I just want to give you and teach you this principle. A lot of people want to eat the cake, but only a few people want to learn the process of baking a cake. If you finish the cake, you need more money to buy cakes. But if you learn how to bake a cake, you will never run out of cakes. A lot of people want to become rich, but only a few people want to learn the process of becoming rich. So if you want to learn, ikaw mismo, you want to learn my process, my secret, nandito na lahat in this book. So I encourage you to really deep dive, malalaman mo na kung paano ako magbenta.